Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how you can use this Microsoft Word document. Yes, so for instance, you want to insert a table, but you don't know exactly where to find that. You notice right up here, where it says search, you just come right up here and there you click. And there you type the word table. Right here, notice, you can add table. Notice as soon as I put it, it should show up right here. Right, the insert table of content right here. Notice that shows a draw table and all of them to create it. Right, so if I click and say add table, so this is what happened. You notice I have my table right here. But not only that, if you wanted to find something again like insert picture, you can click right here and you put the word picture right here. Alright, our photo. Alright, so I'm going to notice right here. And you see it show it right here. You can actually click, so it will take you directly where you notice, directly to your desktop, that I can actually view a picture so far. So when you're in your Microsoft Word document, definitely just come right up here and just click and type exactly what you want. That will take you directly to exactly what you want. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.